guys, it's me, PH Gaming and More, back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about a pocket knife I got that came in the mail today. Well, not the mail, it came from Amazon yesterday, and I've been at a sleepover at Landon, Bird Gaming and More, you might know him. I was with him when I did the fireworks video last night, but yeah, we had a sleepover, and so I just got it today. But yeah, it's a multi-tool Mossy Oak. Here it is. Okay, and the first thing we're going to show is the pliers. I think this is really cool. It's got the little Mossy Oak logo. And if you hear something in the background, that's just my family. Don't worry about that. But yeah, in the case, it's got a belt loop. Then on the front, it's got a little thing to hold the extra screwdriver bits. Because right here, there's a little magnetic screwdriver. And you just pop these out. And it's magnetic, so does the magnet sense? And something I think that's really cool about it is everything on this little thing, all the different knives and different stuff, on the multi-tool. Hold on, just give me a second. Trying to put this back in the case. Okay, there we go. Little pocket. And everything is just, it auto locks when you put it fully out. So, see this little button right here? The little unlock button? Right there? Right here? You press down on it. And that allows you to close stuff. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to show is a saw blade, a wood saw that it's got. Then this pocket knife. And then it's got another saw blade. Then it's got a nail file, and that's all the big stuff. And then next, you've got get them out right quick. Two different little glass bottle openers. One might be a can opener. I'm not really sure. But, guys, I have no clue what this is right here. If you do know what it is, drop a like and let me know in the comments. And, that's it. Yeah, $28 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you want one. And I thought this was really cool. So it's got a little Mossy Oak logo. And then these are all the different things. Screwdriver bits. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for today. And here's the final review. Yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. And fun fact, I originally earlier today was thinking about making this video. I was just gonna make it a little short about it, but then I decided I could make it a full video and just do a whole thing about it. But yeah, I'll look at it and I'll add the link in the description. So this has been PH Gaming and More, and like and subscribe for more videos like these. I'll probably post more about pocket knives because I love pocket knives. My favorite type of pocket knives are probably like antiques, like collection knives that have different stuff. Yeah, this was talking about Mossy Oak multi-tool. Yeah, guys, I'll add the link in the description. This has been PH Gaming and More. Like and subscribe for more videos like these. Peace.